Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AQMS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I clearly have a cold, so I appreciate your patience with my voice. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $2.80. Now, in the event the price falls below 280, not the end of the world or anything like that, taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, that is what you would want to see, and that's what that would represent. So again, yeah, staying above 280 would be great, but as long as the price is above that purple line, then from the grand scope of it all, the bulls are in full ownership of the chart. What about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward right now as far as where the sellers are hanging out at. And that's right up here around the $2.95, 96 mark, give or take a little bit. So keep a close eye on that going into next week. All in all, though, great movement today, nice volume, and now it's just a matter of starting to chip away and build higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over longer periods of time, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. So focus on healthy consolidations and sit back and let the trend do its thing.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.